Math Gad.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning about the difference of cubes. So we're going to be explaining the formula of the difference of cubes and how we can use the difference of cubes formula in order to express a binomial into a product of two quantities. So let's begin. So guys, the first thing we're going to be taking a look at whenever we are understanding the difference of cubes is actually the formula. So the formula is a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 is equal to a minus b times a to the power of 2 plus ab plus b squared. So what this formula tells us is that whenever we have a subtraction of two quantities or a binomial, a difference, we can take the cubic root out of the first term and the cubic root out of the second term, and we can express them both as the subtraction of the first term minus the second term, and then we have the first term to the power of 2 plus the multiplication of the first term by the second term, and then the second term to the power of 2, right? But the first step is, of course, having and taking out the cubic root. So guys, if we have this problem, 64b to the power of 3 minus 27, how can we express this binomial as the product of two polynomials, right? So the first thing is that we take the cubic root out of both terms. The cubic root of 64b to the power of 3, then we have to multiply a number 3 times to get 64, that is 4, because 4 times 4 times 4 is 64, and b to the power of 3, the square root of the cubic root out of that is going to be b, because we divide 3 by 3, and that is going to be b to the power of 1. And now the cubic root of 27, which means a number that multiplied by itself 3 times gives us 27, is 3, because 3 times 3 is 9, and times 3 again is 27. So that means it's going to be 3. And now we can express this as 4b, which is this, minus 3, as the formula suggests, multiplied by 4b to the power of 2 plus 4b times 3 plus 3 to the power of 2. So as you can see, we're raising this term to the power of 2, we're multiplying the two terms, and we are expressing the second term to the power of 2, and the difference of the cubic roots. So that means it's 4b minus 3 multiplied by 4b to the power of 2 is 16b squared. 4b times 3 is 12b, and 3 to the power of 2 is going to be 9. Okay, so that means we're gonna have this as a product of two polynomials, right? So the difference of cubes always is going to give us a product of two polynomials in the end. So in this case, the product is 4b minus 3 times 16b squared plus 12b plus 9. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!